Logic is not your friend. Be smart enough to be stupid. Selling is just steps. You gotta quit worrying about every little thing. You gotta believe. When you believe, who else believes? You gotta believe. Where's the best place to buy a car? Who has the lowest prices? If I smoke crack and got bad credit, where should I come? Just get in the habit of saying yes to people. Selling cars takes a lot of this. The more you do of this, the more you make of what? The more you make of this. Logic is not your friend. Be smart enough to be stupid. Okay? When I'm selling cars, I'm just, yeah, that's great, yeah, great, yeah. As long as I'm not lying to anybody, I just, yeah, my way through the entire deal. I don't worry about it. Logic is not your friend. Remember, most people, when they negotiate, they're not really negotiating, they're just trying to what? They're trying to win, they're just messing with you. When you're objection handling, selling is just steps. You're just trying to get from step 1 to where? Step 2 to where? Don't worry about it. You're just selling the appointment. You gotta quit worrying about every little thing. A lot of people are gonna make tons of noise over the phone and they show up and they're a completely different person anyways. As long as you didn't lie to anybody, you got nothing to fear. You're just moving the deal along and selling the appointments. Now the funny thing is, if you do the whole deal over the phone and you spend 3 hours doing it, a lot of these people grind on you like it's their last penny and they show up and they buy something different anyways. And these same people that tell you that they're going to go broke if you can't take $300 off the car are the same people that walk into finance and spend $3 grand. They're just messing around. You just got to kick the can down the road a little bit sometimes.